In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the token generation failed error in ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. If you've come across a message that says, "Token generation failed," don't worry. This can happen, and the best part is that there are some straightforward ways to resolve it. Oftentimes, this issue arises because of a stale session in your browser, a hiccup in your network connection, a conflict with a VPN or proxy, or even an issue with your API credentials. The silver lining here is that, in many cases, you can address these issues in just a few minutes without needing to be a tech wizard. So let's roll up our sleeves and tackle this. The very first step, and often the simplest fix, is to refresh your session and clear your browser cache. Believe it or not, many times, the token fails because your browser has clung to old or broken session data. To do this, simply click the refresh button in your browser and see if the action goes through. If refreshing doesn't do the trick, head over to your browser settings. Look for the Privacy and Security section. Here you should find an option that says Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select cookies and other site data, as those are often the culprits behind this kind of issue. Once you've made your selections, click on Clear Data and let your browser remove all that old session information. After you've cleared that out, reload the page and check if the token generation error is still there. If you're still encountering the issue, the next thing to consider is your network connection. Token generation often relies on a stable network, and even a minor interruption can throw a wrench in the process, so try toggling your Wi-Fi off and on again. If you have another network available, such as mobile data, switch to that and see if it helps. If you're using a VPN or any kind of proxy, I recommend disabling it temporarily. Sometimes, these services can conflict with authentication requests or even cause the server to reject the token altogether. Now here's another helpful trick. Try opening the site in an incognito or private window. This allows you to bypass potential problems that might be caused by extensions, giving you a cleaner session to work with. As an added note, if the service you're trying to access is under heavy load, it's worth waiting a few moments before trying again. Occasionally, token generation issues can happen simply because the server is busy, or because it's limiting the number of requests being processed. If none of this resolves the issue, log out of the web app completely. Close your browser, reopen it, and then sign back in. A fresh login can often reset your session and prompt the system to issue a new token correctly. If you're still running into the same error, take a moment to double-check your API credentials or account permissions, especially if the tool you're using requires them. An expired key, invalid permissions, or an incomplete setup can also lead to this error. Ensure everything is entered correctly, saved properly, and remains active. If the app has a developer console or an authentication settings page, look there for any warnings or error messages that might give you a clue about what's going wrong. And if you're still having no luck, it might be time to switch browsers. Different browsers can handle requests differently, and sometimes it's just a matter of testing in another one to see if the problem is browser-related. For example, try out Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Also, remember to temporarily disable any ad blockers, script blockers, or privacy extensions you might have installed. These can sometimes interrupt the authentication flow and cause issues with token generation. So to recap, refresh your session, clear your cookies and site data, check your connection, disable any VPNs or proxies, test in an incognito window, and verify your credentials if applicable. In most cases, one of these solutions will help you get past that pesky token generation failed error. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.